Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a cabin air filter to change in my vehicle. Now, if you have one of these, most cars do today. They're easy to do. I'm going to show you how to install it, so stay tuned to the end of the video. I won't make it long. This is one that I ordered myself and purchased myself by Fun Driving. Is the one. This is the cabin air filter. What you want to do is you want to change them every few years or so. They get dirty, dusty, and it's just good to have maintain a good, healthy air quality in your car. So this is how it comes. Simple packaging. So you see, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I take it out of the package. This is what it looks like. Simple as that. It gives you the airflow. It shows you which way the airflow goes. You can see here the airflow. So you could just follow that, how the air goes through. Easy and fast, super easy. It's just like a charcoal filter, which is great for odor and smells and things like that. Plus, you got the filtration as well. It's going to work fantastic. So I'm just going to install this in my car, and just it's really, really easy to do. So stay with me. Let's get to the car right now. Every car is different, but the process is pretty simple. Most of the time, it's in the glove box. Usually, it's easier under the dash, but most likely they try to keep it really simple and easy to access. And why pay $100 to have a dealership do it when you can do it yourself for like no money? So I purchased this myself. Again, like I said, let's go install it right now and see how easy it is to do. Okay, guys, so you can see now we're inside the car, and here is the glove box. Really easy to change. So it's behind here. If you have a 2000, I think it's 16 to 22 or 24 Lexus RX 350, they're inside the glove box. So open up the glove box, as you can see here. Now it's going to have a latch right here. Now the latch right here, all you have to do is just pop this out with your hand, just that way. A little bit of force, you're not going to break it. It's designed to snap on and off. That's how it works. Now you want to do is you want to pinch these two together. You want to pinch this side and this side together, and we're going to pinch them together. And it's going to make the whole glove box just fall right out. Okay, so you just, like I said, just take these two sides and you push them together, and the whole thing will come out, and the whole thing will just come right out of a slot, just like you see here. Because it has a couple of latches right here. Under here is the cover where the filter is. Now you just pop this open, just like this here. That opens up, and here is the filter that goes inside here. Now it says up, that means airflow goes that way, so it already tells you which way the airflow goes, which is great. Okay, so to open this up, there's this little latch right here, a little finger, not too much pressure, really easy. Just work it back and forth, and you'll see this part open up here. This comes off, and then you'll see the filter right here. Pop this right out. Now here's the filter itself. Now you can see it's got a little bit of leaves in here. It's got some debris. I'm actually surprised. It's got a couple little, it's like little insects inside here. So it's always important to change these out. Super easy. This will come out of the cartridge. You'll put the new one inside the cartridge, and you just basically slide it right back in. Really, really easy. Let's do that. Okay, so let's just take this one out. This will just snap right out. It's pliable, so it just slides right out, as you can see here. This comes right out, right? And now, don't forget the flow up. Shows right there. Open up the new one. Okay, airflow goes this way. It shows you that already, which is up. And this shows up. You just basically just pop it right back into this area. Right here. Slides right in. You can see how easy that is. So here's the new one. Here's the old one. You can see that it definitely is a difference for sure. There you go. Let's go pop this back in the car and finish up. Okay, so there's the filter, there's the cartridge, and we're gonna pop it right in. Up being up. Simple as that. Just like you see there. Now we're gonna put the cover back on. Just like that. Cover back on. Super easy. Line it up, snap it in, and realign the glove box to these hooks right here, to these grooves right here. You just realign those because they're right here. You can just realign those. We get those attached, installed, and you're all done. Okay, so you basically just realign those hooks like I told you in the back here. Those latches will sit in the bottom of the latch, sitting in the thing, and the last thing you have to do is just reattach this little lever here. This is just a little, make it like a little smooth operation, like a little piston, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much how you change the air filter in your Lexus. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more great information. Thanks for watching. Also, there's a link in the top right-hand side of your video screen right there. Go ahead and purchase that item. I do get a small commission and does help support my channel, and I really do appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and have a great day.